Ready to push the car in?
Oh god, I'm moving.
I hate my life.
What's up, guys? Who's ready to battle? Welcome back to another vlog.
This guy is so hype.
Bro, look at me.
Yeah.
Look at you. Are you not hyped? Come
We're
on,
hyped.
get hyped. Today we're doing something crazy, something we've never really done before. But our good friends Trent and Allie have suggested something, and you know we're gonna take them up on it because they keep talking that smack.
Hello.
Team
Guys,
Red.
today we're doing something a little bit different, as you saw in the title and thumbnail. Yes, that thumbnail was disgusting. No, we did not buy those products. Except for the broccoli, we bought the broccoli, they bought the steak. So yeah, really good friends of ours. They live in a van, they make YouTube videos, but they still eat meat. And we love them.
Actually.
We're not gonna hate on them. But today, Trent's idea, was it Trent's idea or was it Allie's idea?
I've been wanting to do this for a really long time.
Okay, they came to us with a really good idea that we should do a battle of the vegans versus meat eaters, and hell yeah, we accept.
We're afraid it would be unfair if we did just a physical challenge.
We don't have any protein,
We're protein
right?
deficient,
Yeah.
barely lift our own muscles.
So we're gonna do some cognitive challenges, some physical challenges, some
Mental,
That's
is that cognitive?
We're gonna lose that one! Round one. First off, we're gonna do a balancing yoga challenge. Back is the ballerina. Trent likes to think he's the gymnast. We're gonna see who can win. Let's go.
Do I have to extend?
Extend.
Of course you have to extend.
How's that song go? It's by Chevelle.
God, I'm moving. Round two, couples yoga challenge. The girls are lifting the boys. Ready? And
Go, lift up, Trent. Oh no.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
hands up or what? Yeah. Just like this?
I wanna fly away. The vegans took that one.
We don't even need a third challenge.
Very nice, very nice. Good game. Round two, you guys, we are doing a milk chugging competition. Now, it's not who can chug it. Well, I guess it is faster. 3, 2, 1, go! Ew, I hate it already.
I wonder if it's full. It's still full.
I'm not even a quarter.
Is this impossible?
This is not such a good idea. It's a lot of milk. You ready to push a car in?
Babe, don't spit it up! Ew! That's a snot dangle right there. Eamon looks like he's almost done. That's gross.
Oh, I do not feel good. That is so much soy.
You're gonna grow titties out.
You got this. Allie's gonna, this is when the tortoise wins.
Yeah, come on, babe. Slow and steady.
Come on, babe. What do you gotta swallow? Do you feel sick?
Yeah. I'm here to introduce the third round. I don't feel good. This is a spelling bee between the two nerds, the meat eater and the vegan. And enjoy. How many words are you doing?
Stretching. Stretching. S-T-R-E-T-C-H-I-N-G. Stretching. Very nice. Conception.
Oh, God.
That's way harder.
Conception. C-O-N-S-E-P-T-I-O-N. I hate my life.
Your word is receipt. Receipt. Oh my God.
That's a tricky one.
If she messes it up, I gotta take the point.
R-E-C-E-I-P. E-I-P-T. Receipt.
Very nice.
Commercial. C-O-M-M-E-R-C-I-A-L. Commercial.
Good job. Helicopter.
Ooh, helicopter. H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R. Helicopter.
Hit the generator a few times until you get a real banger, please.
Absence.
Absence. A-B-S-E-N-S-E. C-E. Not doing very good, meat eaters.
Bouillon.
What the?
As in chicken. Bouillon.
Bouillon.
As in veggie bouillon. Oh my god. I know it's wrong and it's killing me. B-O-U-L-L-I-O-N. There's another I.
No, it's B-O-U-I.
That's what I
Oh,
thought!
I'm supposed to let you do it? Sorry.
What? I've never had a chance to do yours. Nice try.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah, caribou. Come on.
Caribou. C-A-R-R-I-B-O-U. Caribou.
No.
Dang it!
Okay.
Camaraderie.
Is it 3-1?
This is getting harder.
Yeah, we're ramping up.
C-O-M Comrade R-A-D-E-R-Y.
Suede.
Suede. S-U-E-D-E. Suede.
Good job.
That was easier than camaraderie.
Ukulele.
U-K-E-L.
You can't make pronunciation noises.
Why not? U-K-E-L-E-L-E?
No.
Ukulele.
Distributor.
You ready?
He self-assigns his words. Distributor.
Superintendent.
Superintendent. S-U-P-E-R-I-N-T-E-N-D-E-N-T.
Wow, good job.
Superintendent.
Telescope.
Okay, telescope. T-E-L-E. What? S-C-O-P-E. Telescope.
Correct.
Yay!
Toboggan.
Oh, that's an easy one.
T-A-B-O-G-E-N. Toboggan.
No way. Unconscious.
Unconscious. But why do I want to spell it conscience? Is that a word as well?
No,
You can't ask the judges
Unconscious.
questions like that.
U-N-C-O-N-S-C. This is where I really don't know. I-O-U-S.
Damn it.
Yeah! Nice one.
Oh no, I had to go put deodorant on. This spelling bee was making me sweat. All right, guys. This is gonna be a little bit more of a physical challenge. The meat eaters are down 3-0. Sorry for everybody watching this that eats meat. We're gonna do an arm wrestle now. Let's go.
Commence. Come on, Beck. Come on, Beck. Come on, Beck. You lost to Aubrey. You cannot lose again. You cannot lose again. They're gonna think we're the weakest people. Come on! Come on! Over, Beck.
I didn't stand a chance! Ready?
Yeah. Wait, let's soften up there, Pony.
I'm just trying to keep a neutral ground there.
Okay, 3, 2,
Come on, babe.
1, go!
Come on, babe. Come on.
No!
You got a little early start on me.
These are the ones we have to win!
I know.
People think we have no muscle! If we don't push this Jeep faster, then people are gonna think that vegans are weak, and we cannot have that.
I agree.
Do you understand me?
I agree.
Shake it off.
We need
Let's
to
go.
push this Jeep hard.
So hard. Okay, we need some redemption for the upper body strength that I've never had. even when I ate all the meat in the world. So now it's time to kick up
Yeah,
the legs.
I wasn't in any better shape when I was eating meat either. I was still scrawny and weak.
So-
Excuses. I feel some excuses.
Hey,
Yeah,
get out of
I
here,
don't
red team.
I
Get
don't know.
out of
I
here.
don't know. I think we had you.
Okay, last one on our channel is going to be a Jeep push. Yes, you heard us. We are pushing a Jeep.
Yeah, we've got a Jeep that doesn't work. It's been outside of our office for a year. So we're gonna push that. It's gonna be like maybe 20 meters max.
Maybe we're pushing a Nissan.
Or we're pushing a spinner van.
The Jeep, we cannot get started, so it's on to the Sprinter vans.
Anybody in Toronto want to buy a Jeep? 2 orange lines. We're gonna start the car right at the wheelbase. At the 1 orange line, the 2 couples are gonna push the van towards the end of the orange line, and it's a time challenge. Sorry, Peter, for putting a line on your parking lot. Round 1 is meat eaters. I'm gonna drive. Couple of weeks,
Are you serious?
like fast?
I don't understand.
Eamon was definitely riding the brake when we were pushing because they did this in 12:42. What?
You think I throw the e-brake on? He thinks I threw the e-brake on.
I hope you're having as much fun as we are filming this because we've got some cheeks hurting.
Smiles
some-
are real over here.
Yeah. It's currently 4-1. Brutal. But you have to stay tuned because so much is gonna go down on part 2.
We're coming back.
We're gonna come back.
Yeah. Anything could change.
Yeah.
So, oh my, I just burped.
You didn't even drink the chocolate.
Head on over to Trent and Allie's channel. First
We've
of all,
got some fun ones lined up on their channel, guys.
We're gonna win.
If you like this video, you'll
Throw
like
it
part
up.
2. Jump
Yes.
over and
make sure you do like this video. If you guys enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up so we know and we can make more videos like this. So show us you love it and comment below if you think
What is that?
thumbs up, guns up, baby. Let's get some protein in here.
Get out of here. You
All right, let's go.
All right, we'll
over
see you
to their
later.
channel. Over
Peace
to their
out.
channel.